Hey, what's up? This is Alice Xiaoai. Are you experiencing that some of your apps just stopped working on Windows 10? Like your camera, built-in camera, and microphone? And you need to have a conference call? I know, it's such a pain in the ass. I just had it today. And it wasn't the first time. Typically, it happens after a Windows update or other Microsoft update. I will show you how I tackle it. My channel is usually about the fusions between Western and Eastern cultures. However, today, we're going to tackle some of the issues on Windows 10. I'm sharing this because I was having a conference call and I was prompted with a Skype update. And after that, I lost my camera. Okay, even with just the voice in the video call, they could not hear me well. Let's get to it. First time when I had this issue, it was around 6 months ago when I got this new laptop. While setting up Windows and everything, it all worked well, except for the camera. It was really dark. I turned on the auto exposure, it got a little better, but it was just like almost pitch black. I tried to look for fixes on the internet here and there, and I couldn't get it working. At some point, the device manager even lost the connection with the camera. It says that I don't have such a device. So I had to work with an external webcam. And then it occurred to me, maybe running some Windows updates might work. I ran the updates and it worked. So if your camera stops working, try restarting your computer and look for if there's new updates. But in the conference call, my colleagues were saying that my voice was fluctuating a lot, that the volume is like up and down, and it's like my voice got canceled from time to time. And it got me thinking, why? Is that the noise cancellation technology thought my voice is some kind of a noise and then it's canceling it? Bingo. I'll show you how it's done, step by step. First, you go to Control Panel, click on Hardware and Sound, click on Sound, then go to Communications. Here is the smart noise cancellation technology. By default, I believe it's set to reduce the volume of other sounds by 50%. Choose Do Nothing. Because apparently, the smart technology is not that smart after all. Or not that smart yet. So click on Do Nothing, hit Apply, and OK. That's how you can hear me well right now. Exactly, just like that. And there you have it. If this helps you, please give it a thumbs up and share with all the people that might need this. My channel is about the fusions between Western and Eastern cultures, my experience learning 5 different languages, traveling the world as a volunteer. Subscribe to my channel.